Way past swag, I call it pretty girl bad.
So I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown about this wig. First off, I'm in my feelings. I'm feeling all kind of ways. I'm like hype about this wig. This wig screams fall vibe. So if you're looking for something to transition into the fall, boo, OhSo got you and Friday Night Hair got you. So I'll be sure to link all of Friday Night Hair's information down below. Again, this is GLS105 in the color OM430. It's absolutely beautiful. The only thing I'll point out to you that may be a con for some is you only get dark roots in the front and like crown area. This is how much parting space you get in the middle. And y'all know how I feel about a side part, but with this one, as soon as I put it in the middle, I was like, boo, that's it. So I'm feeling like some Cinderella-ish. I don't know why Cinderella. No, what is her name? Shanti, what's her name from Beauty and the Beast? What's her name from Beauty and the Beast? Okay, I'm feeling some Belle vibes with this one. Like from Beauty and the Beast, I don't know. I'm feeling fairytale-ish, baby doll, like OhSo slayerization-ish in this wig. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. You will probably get some tangling over time, but as of right now, I hardly got any shedding or any tangling. And you guys know the only thing I put on my synthetic wigs until they get old, or before they get old, should I say, is water or maybe some dry shampoo. But the luster on this wig is so perfect, you don't need any dry shampoo. Just get you a good old water bottle, spritz it down, finger comb it out. You can use a wide tooth comb on it like I did, fluff it, boo, and you out the door. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna say this wig is about maybe 16 to 18 inches on me, and as you guys can see, it has layers all around. This wig is perfect. If you haven't tried a Friday Night Hair unit, I suggest you try one. And if you want to try one, this has made it to my top 3 like that, okay? So once again, I'm going to link all of Friday Night Hair's information down below, as well as a direct link to this wig. Comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about this wig. Is y'all feeling it? Did your girl slay it? I'm gonna say I did. You know what I mean? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.